Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful headband. You can see this is a smaller size and that's a bigger one. So for both of them, for the smaller one I've used DK yarn, and for this one I've used Simply Chunky. So the pattern is the same, just I've used here DK and here Chunky, Simply Chunky. So for this one I've used a 6mm hook, and for the other one I've used a 5mm hook, and you can see this one will fit, I think, quite everybody. The head this big. This one I don't think it's gonna fit only kids. And let's get started. Start with a slip knot and chain 55. So if you chain 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continue until you've got 55. You have to skip the first chain, and in the second one you need to do single crochet. So go into the second chain and single crochet. Now go into the next one and single crochet, and you need to continue single crochet all of the chains until the last one. So continue, and I'll be back when I'm in the last chain. I'm back. I'm in my last stitch, and here I'm in the last chain. Here I'm gonna do 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm gonna continue all the way back to the first one. I put a marker on the first one, and I'm gonna do single crochet the rest of it. So I'm back, and this is my last single crochet, and now I'm back into this chain space where I did my first single crochet. So I'm going to take off the marker, and I'm going to do another single crochet into the first chain here. So now I've got 1 and 2, whereas in this side I had 3 single crochet into the last one. So to continue the second round, now what I'm gonna do is going into this first single crochet, and I'm gonna do a single crochet. So yarn over, come, and do a single crochet, and now this single crochet and this single crochet, this is the first single crochet, and this is what I did now. What I'm gonna do, going into the back of this like this, and I'm gonna do another single crochet. So let me do it again. Go like this and do a single crochet, and going through the same stitches I'm gonna do 2 half double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook through these 2 and do half double crochet, and then again yarn over and do another one into the same So now you got 2 half double crochet and a single crochet here. I'm gonna put the marker in this single crochet so that to keep in mind. Now you need to continue. This second round would be all half double crochet, and if you are familiar with back post, all of the stitches would be back post. So I'm gonna yarn over and go through this one. So go like back and then like this, and I'm gonna do back post, half double crochet, and continue all the way just doing this back post, half double crochet. So going into the stitch, next one, and continue. Now I'm back in these three single crochet that I did in the same chain. So the first one I'm going to do half double crochet like this. In the middle one, or the second one, I'm going to do 3 half double crochet, so it will be an increase for this round. One, two, and the third one, 3. So 1, 2 and 3 into this second one. And now going to the next one, I'm gonna do just 1 half double crochet. So and now continue this side, half double crochet all the way. So so I've done all the half double crochet and I'm back to here. To finish this second round, what you're gonna do, take off your marker and now we did this 1, 2 and 3 into the same stitch, and now you're gonna slip stitch to this loop here. So this is the 1, 2, if you just see 1, 2 and this third one here. You're gonna slip stitch, so pull little bit and close. So that's it. So the second round is done. You can now even count. This is the first round, this is the second one. Now for the third one, what you're gonna do, you're gonna work into the next stitch and do back post half double crochet. So you're gonna do 3 back post half double crochet into the next. So you need to work these loops. So yarn over and go into this next loops, go, and then just do a half double crochet, 1, and I'm gonna put the marker on this first one, and then go through the same and do 2 more. So 1 and 2. So we got 3, and now I need to continue the next all the way half double crochet, so until you are back here where you're gonna work in this 3 and do an increase over there. So each round you're gonna do increase here and in the 2 ends. So now this third round I'm gonna continue by just half double crochet. So continue like this, I'm back with the top 3 here. Now you're gonna do 1 and then 3 and 1. This is the pattern for this side always. So I'm gonna go into the next and do a back post half double crochet and go into the next. I'm gonna do 3, so like this, do 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then continue by doing 1 half double crochet in each. So go into the next, I'm just gonna do 1, then continue, so now you can see now I'm here back to the first one. Take off the marker. Now what you're gonna do, these 3 I'm gonna do 1, 3 and 1. So go into the next, I'm gonna do 1 half double crochet, so you need to do a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna do again, so 1, and then the next do 3, 1, 2, and 3, and the next one 1, so now you can see this side and this side getting similar. So you just need to continue like this. So half double crochet in each, so to remember you can even put the marker back, so the 1, 2 and 3 in this one. So I've finished this round as well. So I was in my 4th round, and I'm gonna continue 2 more rounds. To count the rounds, you can count these ribs here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need to do 2 more, or as many as you want. So now I'm gonna continue into this. The first, I'm gonna take off the marker and just continue 1, 3 and 1. Each time you are in this side or that side, you're just gonna do 1, 3 and 1 until the 6th round, where you're gonna end up here again. So then I'm gonna show you what to do next. So now just continue the next stitch. 1 and then 3 and then 1 again. So 1, 2, and then half double crochet each. So you're getting this shape. I've finished the 6 rounds and I'm back into the first stitch. So I'm gonna take off the marker and do 1 more half double crochet. So go into the back and do half double crochet, and now I've got here the middle one and this one. Now I'm gonna do the buttonhole to finish off. So I'm gonna use these little loops of the half double crochet. So this loop you can see, what I'm gonna do, yarn over and insert into this loop and do a half double crochet, and then continue again and do another half double crochet into this loop. So yarn over and go into this little loop and do a half double crochet, and now I'm going to join. So skip the next 2 stitches, go into the 3rd one and slip stitch into the 3rd one, and then go into the next one and slip stitch again to secure it and chain 1. You can now cut your yarn and pull and you got this. Now I've already joined the button here. So you can see the end result, back and the front. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.